Hello, Jerry. I think we're going to be out of luck on using this small stand with this microphone, and I'll attempt to show you why. As you can see, when we get things lined up, the XLR male is down in the recess there, and the mic is being held with a brass screw. Try and get that a little better if I can. Now let me show you our options here. To begin with, we know that the standard Switchcraft XLR, trying to do this and hold the camera and do everything else here, it'll go in this way just fine, but it sticks out unless the strain relief is removed. If the strain relief comes off, it'll fit. It'll sit down on the desk correctly, but I'm not sure that's what you want, but that may be our only option. Let me get one of the others here. Here's the one that I thought was going to work. It's one of the new Nutrix, and it goes the same way. And if the strain relief were removed, it would sit on the table correctly. But the problem with that is that then there's no strain relief for the cable. Now you could use the one that's built into the stand here, but I don't know that that's such a hot idea. So we're taking that away. And the new one is here, and it's a great idea. This just arrived in the mail today. And if I turn it so that it mates with the XLR down in there, it will be turned like this. And it fits down in there nicely. And you could use it like that, again without a strain relief. The problem is if I put on the strain relief, then it won't fit down here. And give me a moment, I'm going to stop the camera here while I get that set up, and then I'll be back. I'm back with the new right angle Nutrix set up properly. And it is turned so that it will mate with the plug, with the male plug. Turn the mic to line up, there it is. And it'll fit in there, except that the strain relief is in the way. So, take off the strain relief, right? Well, the problem with that is the strain relief is what is holding this piece in place. And if this piece is not in place, nothing is holding the insert. And when you try to plug it in, the insert just comes back up. So I don't think this is going to be the answer. So if we're going to stick to this stand, I think we're stuck with the Switchcraft XLR. Keep having to turn this so it lines up right. See, the connector is what holds it in the stand correctly. Come on, there it is. Okay, now this will go in, but it'll only sit down on the desk if the strain relief is removed. Now, this connector doesn't care if the strain relief is removed because the guts are fastened in with this set screw right here. So that'll work, but I think it's the only solution we have. And as you can see, without the strain relief, it will fit quite nicely. In fact, it'll go in all the way and click in place. The metal part will be down even lower, so you're going to have quite a bit of space there to dress the cable around inside here, and then use this as the strain relief coming out. So that looks like it is our only choice, except if we use another stand. So let me stop the movie camera again, and we'll talk about that. I'll be back. I'm back. Now this combination would give you the low profile that I think you're looking for with the new right angle connector. This is the one that I've been planning to give you with a windscreen on it. That'll come with it. And it is a little bit higher than the brown one would have been. Let's see if I can get that here to show you. Okay, if I line these up, it would be very close to the same distance off the desk. Because where my left thumb is would be where the mic would be resting here. So it looks like it would be the same height on the desk. And with the angular XLR, it would come out the back. I think it would be quite nice. The regular XLR will not fit in here for the same reason as before. It's too long. So, how would that be? This would be the new connector, which comes on and off quite nicely. There it is, and it's at the angle that you would need. Turn 90 degrees to fit. I can't show you with the stand on now, but it would work. And that would address the problem of where to make the cable go. So, does that sound like a winning solution? Let me know. And if it doesn't work out, well, I'm sure there are other microphones we can talk about. Thank you very much. Bye for now.